Think you're just paying for gas at the pump? Think again. Hidden habits, pump tricks, and small mistakes quietly drain billions from drivers every year. I'm revealing 15 fuel-saving secrets gas stations don't want you to know, and the fifth one alone can save you over $1,000 a year. Watch closely. After this, you'll never fill up the same way again. Secret 15. The premium fuel illusion. Premium gas sounds better. Higher octane, cleaner, more powerful. But for most cars, it's one of the most expensive mistakes at the pump. Octane doesn't mean quality. It only measures resistance to engine knock. If your engine isn't designed for premium, that extra octane does absolutely nothing. No more power, no better mileage, no cleaner burn. Millions of drivers pour premium into engines built for regular fuel, believing they're protecting their car. In reality, they're just paying more for the same result, sometimes worse. Modern engines are tuned for a specific fuel type. When you change the burn characteristics unnecessarily, the engine gains nothing. The computer doesn't reward you for spending more. Gas stations love premium because the markup is higher. But unless your manufacturer explicitly requires it, premium fuel is just a pricier version of regular, without the benefits people expect. Secret 14. The pump speed mistake. Most drivers think flooring the pump handle saves time. In reality, it quietly costs you fuel. When gasoline rushes through the nozzle at full speed, it creates turbulence. That turbulence traps air inside the fuel stream, forming tiny vapor bubbles. And here's the catch. Fuel pumps measure volume, not how much usable fuel actually reaches your tank. Those air pockets get counted as liquid. You're charged for them, but the bubbles collapse and evaporate before they ever become usable fuel. Independent pump tests have shown that aggressive pumping can reduce real fuel delivery by several % over time. That loss adds up slowly, invisibly, often equal to an entire tank every year. Slow the flow and everything changes. Fuel enters cooler, denser, and steadier. Aeration drops, measurements become more accurate, and you get closer to what you're actually paying for. It only takes a few extra seconds, but stations never encourage it. Fast pumping means faster lines and higher profit. For drivers, though, easing off the handle is one of the easiest savings moves you can make. Secret 13. The fuel delivery timing trap. See a fuel tanker parked at a gas station? That's your cue to leave. Underground tanks collect sediment over time, rust, debris, ethanol residue, microscopic particles. Normally, that junk stays settled at the bottom. But when a delivery truck refills the tanks, everything gets stirred up violently. For hours afterward, the fuel coming out of the pumps can contain far more contamination than usual. That dirty fuel burns less efficiently, reduces mileage, and forces your engine to work harder. In older cars especially, it can clog injectors, strain fuel pumps, and shorten component life. You still pay full price, but you get lower quality fuel. Stations won't warn you. They want traffic flowing. But waiting a few hours or choosing another station protects both your MPG and your engine. However, if you're at a modern, high-volume gas station, you can breathe a sigh of relief. The tanker rule is mostly a relic of the past because of how advanced today's infrastructure has become. Latest generation stations use double-walled fiberglass tanks that don't rust like the old steel ones, and their filtration systems are incredibly sophisticated. Most modern pumps are fitted with 10-micron filters that's thin enough to catch particles 7 times smaller than a human hair. Plus, the suction pipes inside the tanks are strategically placed several inches above the bottom, specifically to avoid sucking up any sediment or water that might be sitting at the base. In short, if the station looks new and well-maintained, that tanker is just a sign of fresh fuel, not a threat to your engine. Secret 12. The morning fuel myth. You've probably heard it before. Fill up early in the morning when fuel is cooler. It sounds scientific, but in modern stations, it barely matters. Gasoline is stored deep underground, where temperatures stay remarkably stable all day. Morning or evening, the difference is so small it won't give you meaningful extra fuel. But here's what actually affects your mileage, and almost no one talks about it. Seasonal fuel blends. Winter gasoline is formulated to ignite more easily in cold weather, but contains less energy per gallon. That's why many drivers see mileage drop every winter, even with the same driving habits. Summer fuel holds more energy, which is why MPG mysteriously improves when the weather warms up. Stations never explain this because it reveals why your fuel economy rises and falls on its own. Once you understand that, you stop chasing myths and start focusing on what really matters. Secret 11. The airflow money leak. Most people treat the engine air filter like an afterthought. Cheap part, easy to ignore. That's exactly why it drains fuel. An engine needs air just as much as fuel. When the filter clogs with dust and debris, airflow drops. To compensate, the engine adds more fuel to maintain power. That richer mixture means lower mileage, higher fuel consumption, and unnecessary strain on engine components. What makes this worse is how long drivers ignore it. Many go tens of thousands of miles without even checking the filter, especially in dusty or high-traffic environments where buildup happens fast. The result? You burn more gas every mile, and no warning light tells you why. Gas stations benefit from this silently. They sell the extra fuel while never mentioning the simple fix that takes less than a minute. Pull the filter out. Hold it up to light. If light barely passes through, your MPG is already suffering. Secret 10. The calibration blind spot. This one is almost invisible, which is why it works so well. Fuel pumps aren't permanently precise. Over time, internal components wear down. Hoses loosen. Valves drift. And when that happens, accuracy slips quietly. Here's the part most drivers never hear. Pumps are allowed to operate within a tolerance range until their next inspection. That means a pump can legally deliver slightly less fuel than you're paying for, sometimes for months. Inspection records show that a noticeable percentage of pumps fail accuracy checks every year, and when they do, the shortage almost always comes out of the customer's tank. Older stations and low-traffic pumps are the biggest risk. They're checked less often, wear unevenly, and rarely raise complaints because drivers don't notice small losses per fill-up. Protect yourself by paying attention to the inspection sticker. Skip pumps that look neglected, outdated, or poorly maintained. Clean, modern stations with visible inspection tags are far less likely to short you. And if this is already changing how you think about fueling, stay focused because the next one is more important. Secret 9. The tire pressure reality. If you want immediate fuel savings, skip additives and start here. Tires that are even slightly underinflated increase rolling resistance. Your engine has to work harder just to keep the car moving, and that extra effort burns fuel non-stop. The majority of drivers are running their tires below optimal pressure without realizing it. Here's the twist: those door frame numbers aren't set for maximum efficiency. They're designed for safety and comfort when the vehicle is fully loaded. Most drivers aren't carrying full passengers and cargo. In those everyday conditions, running a few PSI higher can reduce drag, improve tire wear, and raise MPG almost instantly. Low pressure does the opposite. It drags the vehicle, wastes fuel, and shortens tire life at the same time. Check pressure regularly, especially when temperatures change. It's one of the fastest ways to stretch every gallon further. And now we move to a habit that quietly destroys fuel economy before your engine even has a chance to be efficient. Secret 8. The cold start trap. Short trips feel harmless, but they're brutal on fuel efficiency. Engines are at their worst when cold. Until they reach full operating temperature, they burn extra fuel to stay running smoothly. If your daily driving is made up of short hops, store runs, school drop-offs, quick commutes, you're spending most of your time in the least efficient phase of operation. The catalytic converter also needs heat to work properly. Until it warms up, efficiency drops even further and fuel usage climbs. This is why two identical vehicles can have drastically different mileage. One does long, steady drives. The other starts cold over and over again. Gas stations know this pattern well. Cold starts bring customers back sooner. Combine errands. Reduce unnecessary starts. Let the engine fully warm when possible. These small changes dramatically reduce how much fuel disappears on short drives. Secret 7. The oil that's slowing you down. Oil isn't just about lubrication, it directly affects efficiency. When your engine runs oil that's thicker than recommended, internal parts face more resistance. The engine has to push harder just to operate normally, and that effort translates directly into higher fuel consumption. Cold starts make it even worse. Thick oil moves slowly, increasing friction during the exact period when engines are already least efficient. Using oil that's too thin isn't the answer either. It reduces protection and can increase wear under heat and load. That's why manufacturers specify viscosity so precisely. It's chosen to balance protection, efficiency, and climate conditions. Stick to the recommended grade. Choose the version designed for your environment. The right oil reduces friction, improves MPG, and keeps your engine healthy long-term. And coming up next, we're uncovering something hiding in your vehicle that adds weight you don't even realize you're paying to move. Secret 6. The weight you forgot about. Your car might be burning extra fuel every day, and you don't even realize why. Extra weight forces your engine to work harder. Even modest added load reduces fuel efficiency, and the effect compounds the more you carry. What makes this dangerous is how quietly the weight accumulates. Tools that never get used. Sports gear from last season. Boxes that haven't moved in months. It all sits there mile after mile, stealing MPG. Roof racks and cargo carriers are even worse. Left installed, they add both mass and wind resistance. Even when empty, they can cut fuel economy dramatically, especially at highway speeds. Stations never mention this because a lighter vehicle needs fewer fill-ups. Clean out the trunk. Remove unused racks. Strip the car down to what you actually use. It costs nothing, and the savings start immediately. Secret 5. The leaking gas cap problem. Almost no one pays attention to their gas cap. That's a mistake. A loose or worn cap allows fuel vapors to escape. When that happens, your vehicle's emissions system has to compensate, often by adjusting the fuel mixture. Even small vapor leaks force the system to work harder, quietly increasing fuel consumption over time. This issue is incredibly common. A cracked seal or cap that doesn't click properly is enough to cause efficiency losses and, in many cases, trigger warning lights. The fix is simple. Tighten until it clicks. Replace a damaged cap. It's inexpensive and instantly restores system balance. Secret 4. AC versus Windows. What really saves fuel? You've probably heard that turning off the AC saves gas. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. At low speeds, city driving, neighborhoods, stop-and-go traffic, air conditioning places extra load on the engine and can reduce efficiency. But at highway speeds, open windows create aerodynamic drag. That drag forces the engine to fight air resistance, often wasting more fuel than the AC would. The smart move is balance. Windows down at low speed, AC on at higher speeds. Gas stations never explain this because confusion keeps consumption higher overall. Once you understand how engine load and airflow work together, your fuel economy improves immediately. And coming up next, we're exposing tiny components that control your fuel mixture and quietly destroy MPG when they start failing. Secret 3. The sensor accuracy problem. Modern engines don't rely on fixed fuel settings. They constantly adjust fuel delivery using real-time sensor data. Two of the most important sensors are the oxygen sensor and the mass airflow sensor. Their job is to tell the engine computer exactly how much air is entering the engine and how efficiently fuel is being burned. When an oxygen sensor begins to degrade, it often responds more slowly rather than failing outright. That delay tricks the engine into running richer than necessary, adding extra fuel to stay on the safe side. Fuel economy can drop significantly long before a warning light appears. The mass airflow sensor is just as critical. Even a thin layer of dirt or oil can distort its readings. When airflow appears lower than it actually is, the computer compensates by injecting more fuel than the engine needs. What makes this costly is how gradual it happens. MPG declines over weeks or months, so drivers blame traffic, weather, or fuel quality instead of the real cause. Gas stations benefit quietly because richer mixtures mean more frequent fill-ups. Routine sensor inspection, occasional MAF cleaning, and timely replacement of aging sensors can recover lost MPG almost immediately. Secret 2. Why idling wastes more fuel than you think. Idling feels harmless because the car isn't moving, but fuel is still being burned every second the engine runs. At idle, engines operate at very low efficiency. Fuel is consumed without generating useful work, and modern engine computers often enrich the mixture to maintain smooth operation. Many drivers still believe idling helps warm the engine. In reality, today's engines warm up faster and more efficiently when driven gently. Extended idling delays optimal operating temperature and increases total fuel usage. The fuel lost may seem small in short intervals, but daily idling adds up quickly over weeks and months. Delivery drivers, rideshare operators, and commuters lose hundreds of dollars a year without realizing where it went. Shutting the engine off during longer stops reduces fuel waste instantly and places less stress on engine components. Secret 1. The physics behind speed and fuel loss. Fuel economy doesn't drop randomly at higher speeds. It follows physics. As vehicle speed increases, aerodynamic drag rises exponentially, not gradually. That means the engine must produce far more power just to overcome air resistance. Most vehicles are engineered to be most efficient at moderate cruising speeds. Beyond that range, fuel consumption rises sharply, even though the engine may feel relaxed. Driving faster doesn't just burn more fuel per mile, it shortens the distance you get from every gallon. Even small reductions in cruising speed can result in measurable fuel savings over long trips. This applies to all vehicles, including modern, fuel-efficient cars. No engine can escape aerodynamic drag. Those were 15 fuel-saving secrets gas stations hope drivers never piece together. Each one is small on its own, but combined, they completely change how efficiently your vehicle uses fuel. If even one tip made you rethink your habits, imagine the impact of using all 15 consistently. Like, subscribe, and comment below which secret surprised you the most. And if you want to unlock even deeper savings, watch the next video where I reveal reset techniques that solve hidden car problems most drivers never know exist.